The school bus is late today. Oh look! It's quiet this morning.
Is that a new driver?
Whoa, that's different. Say night-night.
Whoa! Pretty bubbles!
I feel sleepy. Next! Hey. Let me freshen up. Okay, I'm ready for my photo. Oh, wait! Can't forget this. I gotta have a red carpet. And I need to keep the public back. That should do it. Work it, baby! Okay, now I'm… Huh?
We love you, Leo!
Hey, do something!
Leo, you're the best!
Come on, get out of here! It's such a burden being this popular. Okay, photograph time. Hold on. I need the right atmosphere. Okay, that should do it. How's this pose? Can I get a copy of that?
What's going on here? Maybe science can help me. I just need a sample from this guard.
Hey, what are you doing?
I better get to work. Interesting. I need to be quick. Oops, silly me. Fascinating. Gotta go.
Don't move.
This is so weird.
Wow, it's beautiful.
Do I look like that? All aligned by color and size. Okay, are we settled? Pay attention. Wow.
Huh? Is this for me?
What are we doing with these? The lesson will begin. My pencils!
Move your foot, or I will. A book?
I don't know. I suppose we should open the books. A cookie?
I'm on a sugar-free diet.
I know. I'll have a quick search online. Cheating? In my classroom? Do something.
On it. Give me that.
You're mean.
Selfie. Hey, I look good.
Can I have my phone back? Whatever. Hey, can you hear me? I need help. What's going on back there?
Oh, right. I'll take those. What are you listening to? Oh yeah, that's my jam.
I'm not finished yet. A quick calculation will solve this problem. Hey! Get over there!
I'm getting bored of this.
Do you have to ruin everything?
This is so shiny and fun. Whoops. Be cool. No one saw a thing. Ah, there it is.
Let me help you. I could get lost in your eyes. I better get back to work.
Thanks for finding this.
Anytime. Leo is definitely passing this class.
Whoa!
He's so adorable.
Sorry, the floor was wet. She's so pretty. This is my favorite class. Oh, my cookie! It's a little soggy, but I did it!
But I feel woozy.
I don't feel good.
Come on. I did it! Huh? What did I miss? What's going on? At least I have a cookie.
Let's go to class. Uh-oh. Whoa! Look out! Crunchy. Sweet ride. This better not mess up my hair. Can I have a slice? Hey! Sorry.
Why is it so cold?
Coming through. Night-night.
Leo? No! Geometry, my favorite! I know this!
won't be needing them. Thank you!
Who was that?
Out of my way! I'll take that. Not again. Out of my way!
Phew! My desk! Looks like we're all here. Let's start. Wake up, Leo!
What? You're not my mommy. We're in class. Boring.
What's taking so long?
Who's that? Let's do this.
What now?
Let's get a little more comfortable. I want you to capture my good side.
Okay.
Guessing you don't miss ab day. Here goes.
Can't I paint a bowl of fruit?
I prefer landscapes. Don't move. I'm watching you. That was easy. I feel grossed out. Don't move a muscle. This is so stressful! Come on, dude! Put it away! At least I can't see him now. Wait a minute. Look at your model. Sup? There's a reason I'm not artistic! I can't wait until math class! Hold on. I have an idea. I need to start again. I hope this works. I need some paint first. I should have thought of this earlier. Now to paint over my abs. Hey, it tickles. This is harder than it seems. Look, I'm art. Now to put it on the canvas. That should do it. That's pretty lifelike. I better add some color. I feel the creativity flowing through me. Ah, yes! My work here is done. What do you think? I call it the fragility of man.
This is more family-friendly. I think it captures your spirit.
Time to judge. Not bad.
Aw, an A-.
It's good, right? I'm impressed.
It's not fair! I'm out of here!
What's her problem?
I tried my best!
That's a little dramatic.
That's it! I'm out of here! So long!
Oh. I hate this class. Goodbye. She's so weird. Let's play hopscotch! Not so fast. Where are we?
It's okay. I've got this.
Oh, I see.
It's pretty simple. You go first.
Me? If you're sure.
Ah!
Was that supposed to happen? Okay, I can do this. Wait, I have an idea. Watch this.
Do you have to take your top off at every opportunity?
Here goes. Whoa, it worked! Okay, I'll use my shoes this time. I'll try this square. So far, so good. Whoa! That was close!
I'm on my way, Leo!
Okay, what next? I'm glad I wore my lucky underwear. What one? Yes! The right choice! Okay, keep calm.
This was a good idea, Leo!
Focus. Wait. I'm out of clothes. Give me those glasses. That one looks good. I hope I'm right. Woohoo! I made it! Whoa, why is everything blurry? Olivia, over here! Come on! Okay! Whoa! Oh, that's not good. Squid Game College would definitely be interesting. Think you could pass? Don't forget to share this video with your friends, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos just like this one.